Hello Odoo users, it's Eleanor from Cluedo here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use one of our modules to gain some additional fields in your Bills of Materials report. More specifically, percentage cost price and percentage sale price. So, let's get clued into Cluedo. First off, let's download the application. To do this, we need to head into Settings, click Manufacturing on the left-hand side, and if we scroll just a little over halfway down the page, you'll see we come to Cost. Within Cost, we've got the tick box for Enhance, BOM, Structure, and Cost Report. Tick that, click Save, and give it a minute for those changes to take effect. With that all done, let's head back into our home screen and click into the manufacturing application itself. If I now head into our Bills of Materials and click into, let's say, desk combination, when I open up the structure and cost of this bill of material, percentage cost price and percentage sale price are now shown. These are also shown in the PDF report that comes out in printing. Now, those of you with eagle eyes may have spotted a bit of text up here talking about BOM comparison and an option here to export XLSX unfolded, which will create an Excel report. If comparing BOMs is something you would like to have in your manufacturing application, take a look at our video tutorial around BOM difference comparison. Similarly, if you would like the option to export your reports as an Excel document, check out our BOM Excel export tutorial. Both will be linked below. But for BOM and cost report extension, you're all clued up. Thank you for watching and see you soon on Cluedo.com.